Hello, hello, hello. Thank you very much for being here again. And for those who are new here, I am very grateful that you are here right now, joining me in unboxing my Jeffree Star box. And as you can see in the thumbnail, you know what this will be. And let's open this now. I have this for maybe a week already, but I just didn't open it yet because I wasn't feeling well to do a video. So let's open this now. And actually, I got this palette because my husband asked me to, my husband asked me what I want for Valentine's Day, and he asked if there's any box or something that I really want to get for Valentine's Day. And I know this came out after Valentine's Day, but this is what I asked from him as a Valentine's gift. So there's this tissue paper in here, and here is, oh my god, I hope the palette is okay because the box doesn't look good. Oh my god. So here it is. I'm so excited. And see, like what I've said, this came out. And here she is. Oh my god. I hope the baby is okay. All the thing in the side is torn. Oh my god. I hope the palette is really okay. And here it is. Oh my god. It's shining. It's shining, shimmering, splendid. And there's a clasp here. And this is what it looks like at the back. Oh my gosh, how do you open this? Oh, okay. So let's open this. I hope I'm not gonna ruin it. Okay. Oh my god, how do you open this thing? Oh, only like that. And let's inspect. The mirror is kind of scratched. Is there a protection layer in this thing? Like oh, okay. So it's good that there's this layer. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out because it looks scratched, but the mirror seems okay. Oh my gosh. And I don't wanna, I don't know how to show this thing. And oh wow, this is thick. This is not like a cheap film on top of it. So here are the shades, and they are so beautiful. Oh my god. Let's do some swatching. I'm gonna swatch Wet Jewel. Okay. I'm gonna swatch Wet Jewel. I don't know if it's gonna do good in the camera. I'm not good in swatching.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Jewel, Executioner, and then Bleeding Heart, and Pink Magic. Oh my god.
Now, seeing this in person, I am loving Pink Magic and Executioner. before, when I saw some videos, let me wipe this first. Before, when I saw some videos, I was loving Wet Jewel, but seems like I'm loving Pink Magic right now. Oh wow. I know there has been a lot of videos that came out of this palette, but you know, I just got this, so hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a look for this, because I am not really that confident to do a makeup video yet. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. But again, this is a palette, and I'm so happy that I asked for this from my husband. And because my husband is not good on, he'd rather ask me what I want, because he always don't get what I want for like any gifts. So now he learns that instead of getting it, he would ask me what I want, or he would rather give me the money to buy for the product that I want. Here's this card here that has Jeffree's picture on it and the picture of the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that. Okay, now another thing I purchased is this one, because I didn't get this before for the Valentine's box, mystery box. So I got this, and it says here baby pink. So I hope they didn't mess up my order. And okay, oh, this is what I really want. Wow, feels so light. I was expecting this to be heavier, but oh wow, and I didn't think that it's this big. So pretty. It's like it really fits my whole face. Oh, I'm so happy with this. So this is the Jeffree Star approved mirror. Here you go. I got that. And one thing that I also got, wait. Okay, let's put that back there, is this one. Of course, to pair my eyeshadow palette. And this is the Bloodlust mirror. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's stare that. This feels really light though. I was really expecting this to be heavier. And this is what it looks like. I know a lot of you have seen this already. Probably have seen this already. This fits perfect. I know this is shaped weird, but your whole face is exactly in the mirror. So, wow, this is so worth it. This mirror is so worth it. I really like this. I'm really happy with this. Thanks to my husband, I got all of this for Valentine's Day. Like, the camera won't do justice with this palette. And I think Jeffree Star is launching again another palette, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that one, because right now, because of the coronavirus that's going on, the island is not getting tourists, the usual volume of tourists. So most businesses are, if not operating on a very slow business, some are closed because the island is mostly relying on the tourists. So my job right now also is lowering on the number of hours, so I'm not making that much, so I might not be able to get that palette. But thanks to my husband, I got this one, and I don't think he's gonna get me that one. Okay, unless he's gonna ask me, you know, if, because my birthday's coming, maybe I'll ask that as my birthday gift. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm really happy with this. If you've got this palette and the mirrors, please let me know what you think. Are you happy with your purchase? Because I am really happy with this, and most of the reviews about this palette is like, most of those people that purchase this are very happy. I know this is quite pricey, but this is like $54, and this is so worth it. Jeffree Star really think of what he puts out there. Thank you very much for watching again, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.